Welcome! If you've ever wanted to stay updated when your favorite creators drop new original audio on Instagram Reels, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on original audio notifications so you never miss a beat. This is the updated method, so let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon, at the top right corner. Give that a tap. Now, from the menu that pops up, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control all your account preferences and privacy options. Scroll down until you find the Notifications section. Tap on it to open up all the different types of notifications you can customize. Next, find and tap on Live and Reels. This section is dedicated to notifications related to Instagram Live and Reels activities. Here you'll see several options, but what we're interested in is original audio. Under the Original Audio heading, you'll see a few choices. To make sure you're notified every time there's new original audio from creators you follow, simply select On. That's it. You've just enabled notifications for original audio on Instagram Reels. Now, whenever someone you follow releases new original audio, Instagram will send you a notification so you can check it out right away. This is a great way to stay ahead of trends, discover fresh sounds, and support your favorite creators as soon as their content goes live. If you ever want to turn these notifications off, just follow the same steps and select Off instead. Customizing your notifications helps you control what you see and when you see it, making your Instagram experience even better. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tricks. See you in the next video.